Everyone wants beautiful, thriving plants, but keeping up with them can be difficult and time-consuming. That's why we created a container that keeps your plants watered for weeks at a time. Introducing the TruDrop Self-Watering Planter, a foolproof way to grow stronger, healthier plants by giving them exactly what they need when they need it. The TruDrop self-watering system uses the same irrigation process as professional greenhouses to keep your plants well hydrated and nourished. The reservoir built into the double-wall container waters your plants from the roots up, allowing them to take in just the amount of water they need to thrive. The results are bigger, healthier plants with beautiful, lush flowers and leaves. Using the TruDrop self-watering planter is easy. Just use a garden hose or a watering can to fill the reservoir with water. Our foolproof indicator lets you know when the container is full and when it needs to be refilled. Finally, no more guesswork. The TruDrop system will keep your plants watered for 2 to 6 weeks, depending on the plant and the environmental conditions. With the TruDrop self-watering system, you'll spend less time and effort caring for your plants and more time doing the things you enjoy. Our TruDrop planters are designed to not only keep your plants healthy, but also to protect them. Each container features a sturdy double-wall construction that protects your plants from extreme temperatures. The materials are 100% food safe, making TruDrop planters a healthy way to grow your own fresh herbs, fruits, and vegetables. The fill cap snaps onto the intake hole easily to prevent dirt and bugs from contaminating the reservoir. The optional Easy Drain connects directly to your hose for a quick and mess-free way to empty water from your container. The overflow drain keeps your plants from flooding when it rains and safeguards your plants against overwatering. And the overflow drain can be left open or closed, making this planter ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The TruDrop planter also comes in sizes and styles for every grower. Whether you're growing fruits and vegetables, ornamentals, or houseplants, you're sure to find the container that works best for you, with a look that suits your taste. Along with protecting and nourishing your plants, the TruDrop planter also works to protect the environment. Each eco-friendly container is made from 100% recyclable materials. The highly efficient self-watering system conserves up to 50% of the water you would normally use to care for your plants. And because each TruDrop planter stores water in the fully enclosed reservoir, it reduces runoff, keeping fertilizers where they belong. Finally, a planter that works for you to produce happier, healthier plants while contributing to a greener future. Crescent Garden TruDrop Self-Watering System.